Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in Dubai there is a massive smoke. You can see over there, and the fire started right over there. That's where the fire started. You can see the smoke going through whole Dubai. This is scary as hell. So you can see the fire, the smoke. This is the smoke right now, and over there there's the impact of the fire. I saw the smoke rising over there. This is what I recorded earlier. Oh my god. What is happening over there? Fire. There's fire. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Fire. Oh my god. Dekat dah. Muka tari una. Oh my god. What is that? Fire in Dubai. Oh wow. Oh my god. Can't believe this is happening. Oh my god. Oh wow. Jesus Christ. Oh wow. Fire in Dubai. Oh wow. Oh my god. Yup, that was the videos I took during the massive fire, and I hear some like explosions over there. I don't know, like, but I feel like this boom, 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 something like that. One of them explodes very loudly, and I haven't took a video of that, but my ears is paining.